Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing and full working details of this spray car, which is like Batman edition. See here, online it is showing like 900 rupees, 800 to 900 rupees. Okay, just checked it, and this is the car overview. The scale is 1:20, so which is a small and a medium car, you can see. And the main features are rear smoke and light, and this is a 4-channel remote. Okay, not the gun sort of remote. See, for other car, this is the rock crawler car. Actually, in the last video we did the unboxing of this. If you want the unboxing of this, just find it in the description. And this car remote, the present car spray car remote, is different. And any more highlights here? Powerful horsepower, high power input, it is saying. Yes, that's it. Yeah, water inlet for smoke spray function, ideal for 3+ ages. So this could be one of the best choice for gifting also. So let us carefully open the box here. Just open the box. First let us see the box contents here. The main unit, the remote control car, and with the remote set, and there are few more accessories. Okay, first of all I need to tell you one thing. This is not a C-type recharge port. Okay, this could be very informative, because see, if you observe, this car has direct C port. Okay, and coming to this car, first let us open this. Just remove this, okay, so that they'll come out easily. Fine. Here. So there is on off button at the back side, and this we need to open in order to insert the battery. So let us open this. I just removed the screw here to insert the battery. So fine, just open this. So yeah, fine. See, this is how we need to connect the battery. This is a rechargeable battery. Okay, at the end of the video I will be showing you how to recharge this battery also. Okay, we just need to fix it back. There is no screw for this. Yes, you need to insert 2 AA batteries. Fine. Okay, the remote is in operation. Fine. So this is the recharge cable they have provided. Along with that, these were there in the box. So we can attach this actually. Okay, for now I'm not going to touch this. Anyway, you can attach this. Okay, this is a small toy. Okay, forward, reverse, left and right. Okay, simple battery. Okay, forward, backward, these are for the front wheels. Here if you observe the backlights, they are looking pretty good, especially if you ride this in the dark mode, then this could look very good. And here you need to drop some water so that you can get that smoke effect. Okay, let us test this also, but before that you can just operate like this. To your right, left. In order to get this smoke effect, yeah, you need to press this button. Okay, is it visible? Yeah. Okay, before this what you need to do is you need to open this cap. This attachment is also given in the box only. You just need to fill up the water here. Okay, fine, close the lid. Now nice, very attractive actually. Within the colors, this smoke effect is good. Anyway, I'll be attaching this in the products. If you want to check more details, you can just check it. Okay, please do comment your opinions on this car.